back to Kin Pins. I'm here with, if you couldn't guess it, another Cricut video. Yay! So today on Kin Pins, I'm going to be making print then cut stickers with my Cricut Maker that I bought because it was on sale and also because I really wanted to make print then cut stickers. So first and foremost, today I am mostly going on the instructions from Amy Makes That. Amy Makes That is a YouTube channel here on YouTube and she does tons of stuff with Cricut. So I'm going to link her channel, link this specific video that I'm kind of mostly using these instructions. It is kind of an older video on her channel and I know she's done other sticker videos since. So it's good to watch all of them. Definitely go subscribe to her if you want to learn more about using your Cricut. If you're interested in Cricut, highly, highly recommend her channel for that. Today, we have our Cricut. I have my printer downstairs. I also have vinyl sticker paper. I've not tested this to see how good it is. This is just the brand I bought just for my own at-home stickers. I also got self-laminating adhesive sheets. To a lot of what I read about the vinyl sticker paper is that a lot of the reviews on a lot of the different sticker papers I looked at said the ink comes off. But if you use the laminating sheets on top of that, it will help that. We've got our Cricut mat. I am using my fabric grip mat that came with my Cricut Maker. The stickers I'm making today are these designs that I created in Procreate. So I designed these two. I think the ghost and the shark, I don't know, I think they're funny. So they make me happy and that's what matters. So I took those designs from Procreate and put them into Cricut Design Space. And I'm gonna roll the footage of the screen capture of that and kind of talk you through what I did there. So I am uploading my images here. Going to select complex, hit continue. Going to remove the background and continue. And then we save it as a print then cut image. And I'm gonna select it here, import it to my canvas. It's going to import huge, so we're going to resize it down. Okay, and then I'm going to pull my other sticker that I had already uploaded earlier, add that to my canvas as well, resize that. Okay, and then I'm going to line these up side by side, select both, and align them. And then I'm going to flatten the images. And then copy and paste so I can make multiples. You can also select to make multiples within, when you get to the printing stage, you can say, I want to make so many copies of this. I did not go that route. So here is what we have. And I hit continue and went to my printer settings and printed all of that. And then we cut. Okay, after all those steps I printed, here are our printed stickers from my printer. And what I'm gonna do is I cut down my laminating sheets. When you are doing the print then cut, one big thing, if you're using the laminating sheets, don't go over this black outline because then the Cricut can't read it. So I'm gonna be very carefully sticking my laminating paper on, then sticking it to the mat and putting it through the Cricut to cut. So we have our laminated sheet on top of our sticker sheet. I'm gonna stick this onto my mat. Now the setting that I chose, which may or may not be correct, is I chose printable vinyl for my cutting settings in Cricut Design Space, but I upped the pressure to more because it's got that laminated sheet on top. So I don't know, what I want is I want it to cut all the way through so that I can peel this off and have the sticker with the backing on it. We shall see. Okay, so we are ready to have this cut. It cut it! Now let's see if it cut all the way through or kind of how these look as a finished product. One thing I will say about this vinyl, it's kind of hard to peel off. Okay, so it did not cut all the way through this vinyl sheet. So I guess I'll have to do a even harsher cutting setting next time. And I'm sure there's a better way to peel this off so it's not all curly like this, but here we are. Okay, let's just peel this off so we have like a sticker sheet, you know? It didn't cut all the way through, y'all. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, attempt number 2 done. I set it for a thicker material cut. Hopefully I didn't destroy my mat underneath, but let's just see. Hey! Okay, well that's at least what I wanted to happen with the actual stickers. And here we go. Here are our stickers. We have stickers! This is my first ever attempt at making print then cut stickers for just messing around and making content for y'all and stickers for my own use. These are fine. Definitely if you are looking for a printable vinyl or printable sticker paper, there are so many people out there that have reviewed higher quality stuff. If you are looking to maybe start your own sticker business, definitely Amy makes that. Many other YouTubers, many people on Pinterest. Do your own research. But this was fun. This was a fun thing to do. The stepkids would love this, making their own stickers, so that will be something that I'll be doing with them. Yeah, I think all in all, the first time making print then cut, I'm not disappointed in it. So that's this week's video for you, another Cricut one for you. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, like this video. If you didn't like this video, like this video. If you want to see more Kim, subscribe. We've got something for everybody on the channel here. And if you need even more Kim beyond what's on video, you can catch me on the GMWKS podcast every episode with my trivia segment, where I torture TJ and Jord with questions they probably don't know the answer to. Comment below, have you tried print then cut? Are you just getting into Cricut, or do you love your Cricut? I'd love to hear about all the projects that you're making, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!